What we've done is we've created a very easy, quick, simple way to get an understanding of what a bathroom is going to cost. That is driven by a few key factors. Size of the room, what is actually going in the room. Shower, vanity toilet, is it shower, bath, vanity toilet era, but there is a line there where it's defining the scope and it's basic, standard, high and major. Like, so you've just got skirting tile and your shower was tile. That'd be very basic. Standard to us is tiling halfway or about that halfway mark. And then you've got a high scope. For us, that high scope is tile to the ceiling. With that, there's still other bits. So our high scope would have like a recess, frameless screens, things like that. And then major to us is, are you moving things around? Is there structural elements? Depending on which category you pick there, that will help determine the labor cost. And then there's the next line there is range for PC items. So based on that, you've got 4 different categories there. So depending on either your budget is or what you're hoping to spend, you would just pick one of them and it would give you a bit of an idea or a range on the PC items. Because basically how it works is there's 2 components to a renovation. With a bathroom, you've got a labor component and you've got the items that need to be bought. Those items can be bought however, but the labor component is fixed. So we can price a job, we know the scope, we know exactly what we're doing, we give the customer a fixed price for that, and then the PC items are the variable. We give them a range. We just say, based on the size of the room, based on the range of PC that we think you are going to want, please allow between X and Y. And then when they go shopping with our designers, they can decide how much they want to spend